Madagundong, and the rope. Early Lady is taken by Cheska's Magic from the outside, Lady Galore by the rail, and Don Ronaldo running in third on the outside, Magic Q. And nearing the far turn is Lady Galore by the rail, Cheska's Magic on the outside, Don Ronaldo, and Magic Q, Dumadagundong, May West, and rounding the far turn, it's still Cheska's Magic in the lead, followed by Lady Galore by the rail in second, and closing in third is Don Ronaldo. Moving up on the inside, May West and Dumadagundong, and bringing up the rear is Paris Melody. And into the home stretch, it is still Cheska's Magic in the lead, followed by Lady Galore in second. It's still Cheska's Magic, Lady Galore, Don Ronaldo moving up on the inside, and Dumadagundong, May West. And nearing the payoff line, it is still Cheska's Magic in the lead. And finally at the payoff line, it's Cheska's Magic, entry number 5, Don Ronaldo, Dumadagundong.
Siyat yata yung nanalo